Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 E300 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the sports styling package with the sports exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB Tex interior, sunroof. E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, premium one package with blind spot assist, ambient lighting, Burmeister sound system, a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This E-Class has 27,668 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.